What is Gen AI? I will start with a joke. Gen AI is so smart, it can even tell the difference between a joke and a serious statement. Seriously though, it's a form of artificial intelligence that can perform a wide range of tasks, including learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Isn't it nice if someone can help us to solve the problem day to day? Yes, exactly. Gen AI can help you with that. And why is Gen AI is so important? Because one day it might be able to write video prompts for us, but seriously, it can potential to revolutionize many industries. For example, Gen AI is already being used to many enterprises to improve customer service, optimize operations, and develop new products and services. So, agenda for today's video. We're going to define what is Gen AI is, then we're going to explain how Gen AI works, then describe Gen AI model types. Further, we'll describe generative applications and what kind of those type of applications exist already today. And we'll finish with enterprise level examples of Gen AI in use as today. Let's start. Gen AI is a broad term used to describe artificial intelligence that can perform a wide range of tasks, including learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Gen AI systems are typically trained on large datasets of text, code, or other data types. This allows them to learn patterns and develop an understanding of the world. So once these models train, Gen AI system can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as generating text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering questions in an informative way. That, as an example, let's say you can write the beginning of a text and the model will figure out how you can add it. So let's say I'm having some toast ways and Gen AI will help us to finish what are the options we can pick for the toast. Salmon, cream cheese, peanut butter, and so on. How Gen AI works. Gen AI systems typically use a variety of machine learning techniques such as deep learning and reinforcement learning. What does it mean, deep learning? Deep learning algorithms are inspired by the structure of the human brain and use artificial neural network to learn patterns from these different varieties of data types that you're feeding these algorithms. Imagine how your brain works, having all these neurons and connections the same way those models are operating on. Then reinforcement learning algorithms learn by trial and error and are rewarded for taking actions that lead to desired outcomes. As you ask a question to GPT and it produces a response for you. Then, what Gen AI model types exist today? There are two main types of Gen AI models, discriminative and generative. What is the definition of those? Discriminative models are trained to distinguish between different classes of data. For example, a discriminative model could be trained or to distinguish between images of cats and dogs. So just feed the two images and model will give you the example, who is who. And then generative models are trained to generate new data that is similar to the ones that have been trained on. For example, generative model could be trained to generate images of cats that look like real cats. As an example, you can provide the image of cat and the model will give you the variety of different breeds of cats. Let's take a look at generative applications. Gen AI has a wide range of potential applications, and that includes neural language processing, or what's called NLP. Gen AI can be used to generate text, translate languages, and answer questions in an informative way. Sometimes it's even more informative and intelligent than some of the humans' responses, including me. For example, GenAI is being used to buy enterprises to develop chatbots that can provide customer support and generate personalized marketing content. A lot of help is coming in our workforces using GenAI. Then we can use it in computer vision. GenAI can be used to identify objects and images and videos, and it can generate realistic images and videos. For example, GenAI is being used by enterprises to develop self-driving cars and to automate tasks, manufacturing, and logistics. Robotics field. GenAI can be used to control robots and to develop new robotics capabilities. For example, GenAI is being used to by enterprises to develop robots that can perform surgery to explore dangerous environments. Isn't this amazing? And last but not least, we can use it in creative applications. GenAI can be used to generate creative content such as music, art, and literature. For example, GenAI is being used by enterprises to develop new products and services such as video games and personalized music playlists. I feel like we really get to the future of our humanity, what we can accomplish using GenAI. Then, enterprise level examples of GenAI in use today. We'll start with customer service. GenAI is being used by enterprises to develop chatbots that can provide customer support 24/7. These chatbots can answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even make recommendations. For example, Salesforce Einstein is GenAI platform that is used by many companies to develop customer-facing AI applications. In marketing field, there's examples when GenAI is being used by enterprises to personalize marketing campaigns to generate leads. For example, Google AI is being used by many companies to develop targeted advertising campaigns and to generate qualified leads. Sales is needed for everyone, right? Then product development. GenAI is being used by enterprises to develop new products and services. For example, Amazon is using GenAI to develop new products recommendations and to automate tasks in warehouse. Manufacturing field. GenAI is being used by enterprises to automate tasks in manufacturing, and it also helps to improve quality control. For example, Tesla is using GenAI to automate the production of electric vehicles. Yeah, it is known that Tesla manufactured just fully, they have just a few folks working there. And in logistics, GenAI used to optimize the logistics operations and improve delivery times. For example, FedEx is using GenAI to optimize its delivery routes. I'm amazed. The more I'm being in this field, the more my brain is being blown away from possibilities and what else is coming.
Let's consider one of the applications that possible to build applying OpenAI. We're going to create market summary by uploading quotes that been given to us by two different type of health insurances. As an agent who need to select the most beneficial plan and provide it to their customers, we need to be diligent and pick the ones that going to fit the needs. While the processing is happening, let's take a look at one of the examples, how this PDF looks like. The challenge comes when parsing few documents at the same time and extracting the common fields for market summary. It is hard, and to list just few reasons is first, document structure. Market summary documents can have different structures, such as tables, and you can see here paragraphs or bullet points. This makes it difficult to write a general purpose parsers that can handle all these different formats. And you possibly can also know there's no two insurances that will follow the same template for those PDFs. The second reason might be field names. The field names for market summary documents can also vary. For example, the field for the open price might be called open in one document and opening price in another. Here, we're going to select the fields as system failure, breach response, and restoration cost. What is market summary? Market summary provides key information and data that helps individuals and businesses understand the current state. In our case, we have house insurance agent that tries to analyze two house insurance coverages to provide the benefits to the clients or the business that agent works with. As you recall from the beginning, we uploaded two PDFs, one from carrier called Collision Insurance, another one from United Specialty Insurance Company. Prior, as we select the fields system failure, breach response costs, and restoration costs, the application helps us to extract those fields from the PDFs and display us. Now, the agent easily can see the results and analyze and compare those coverages. Once it's done, application also can help us to download the files that can be used by providing presentation or send the carrier the final analysis of market summary. To recap, this application helps us to identify the different entities from PDFs, such as insurance names, services, and its cost. It also helps us to condense the information in a document in a shorter, more concise form. Even though in this example we considered the case as being house insurance agent, and at the same time the same flow can be applied to create market summary for the businesses or services in educational, retail, manufacturing, and finance spaces. Thank you for your attention and have an amazing day.